In this video, I'm going to share with you and I'm going to show you everything that you need as a lash beginner, all the products and all the tools. So let's go right into it. First thing first, we are going to start with a foam cleanser that you need right before any type of set. You want to make sure the lashes are very clean before you're starting. Either is a refill, either if it's a full set, we want to make sure that the cleanser is the first step on your classic or volume application. Now, second product that is really important to have on your station is Super Bonder. Super Bonder is a product that you're going to use after you finish every set. So all the lashes are done, all the set is done beautiful, then you're going to need a little product on a micro swab, and then you're going to touch every single extension that you applied. In this case, you're going to have the curing time speeding a little bit more than normal. Normal, we know it's about 24 hours to not touch the lashes with any water, any product, anything. Once you use this product, it will cure the lashes right away. Now, another product that is extremely important and you cannot do any type of sets without this is your glue. Now, this is Limit Lashes glue. There is a slower dry time and also faster dry time. 1 second dry time or 3 to 4 seconds for a beginner. Also, you need a cream remover. In case you have a client that she comes from a different salon or different type of technician, you want to make sure you remove every single lash and then do a full set from the beginning. And also, we need the lashes. Either you're creating a classic or either you're creating a volume, you do need your tray of lashes. Now, in order to apply your lashes, you need a lash tile. Here is a Limit Lashes acrylic lash tile, very hard and easy to apply your strip lashes on top. And also, we need a little mirror at the end of the sets or between your sets. You want to make sure that the bottom lashes looks good and also nothing is stuck to the bottom lashes. And also a little scissor in case you want to cut any tape or in case you want to cut any type of tape, you do need a scissor on your station. Also, products that we need in order to create a full set, we also need a tape. Now, in here I have 3 types of tapes. One is a foam tape, second is a blue sensitive tape, and then the third is just a plastic tape. Now, how you're going to use all 3 of them? The foam tape you can also use for the bottom lashes to support the bottom lashes. The second tape is sensitive tape, paper tape, which is amazing to isolate the bottom lashes. And the third tape is the tape that you can lift the eyelids easy to actually see the bottom layer better. And also you need a mini fan at the end of the set to make sure you dry the lashes very well. Also, we need the gel pads in order to support the bottom lashes. In this case, you can either use a foam tape or a gel pad. Whatever you prefer the most, I always work with both of them. And also, I have here all my tweezers sterilized, ready to go. Also, you need alcohol pads in order for you to wipe your tweezer before you start the set. Also, we need dry wipes to actually wipe the nozzle of the adhesive. And then we need a hair disposable cover to actually cover all the hair so the hair is not going to fly over our glue. And then I have a piece of tissue to apply on the forehead. So every time you're isolating, you're supporting your hand, the hand is going to stay on the paper. And also I have my mask, because you really need to use mask in order for you to not breathe on top of your clients, first of all. And second, you want to protect yourself from the fumes from the glue. And then here I have a tray of disposable. First, I have a pen, a Sharpie that I'm going to create my map. And then I have the glue tray where I'm going to put my glue. And then I have a mascara wand to brush the lashes. I have some applicators in case I want to clean the lashes and also I want to wipe the glue. And then I have some micro swabs for either priming, super bonder, or any type of accelerator. And also I have a wood spoolie that I'm going to use underneath when I use the super bonder or a primer. And also one of the most important product as a beginner is your mannequin. Your mannequin is going to be your favorite and your best friend once you start your practicing. You want to make sure you have a mannequin to practice any type of set, either is this classic or volume. Now I recommend this mannequin 100% because we do have the lashes and we do have layers directly from the skin. Sometimes you have those mannequins that you have to put the strip lashes on top and they move, they just peel off. But those, you can just clean them as many times as you need and the lashes are still here. I recommend 100%. And I also am going to put a link for this mannequin that you can just purchase them from the website or just try to find a mannequin that has real hair. And then next, I'm going to share with you the kit that you have all those products and a full kit of products for all my students as well. So here is a Limit Lashes box that you have all the products inside, from the beginner all the way to classic, volume, all the lashes, tools, disposable, basically everything, a full kit of products. You can also see the link on the description below where you can find the link, and also you can either purchase them separate or you can purchase the full kit where you have everything ready. And now, because you're already familiar with all the products and all the tools that you need before you start any set, don't go anywhere, because on the next video I'm going to explain you step by step how I'm going to apply the classic application on the mannequin. Click the video right here and I'll see you right there.